A second type of division is known as synthetic division. Synthetic division is a process that can be used to obtain a quotient more quickly than long division. The only catch is that the divisor must be of the form x minus c in order to use synthetic division. Okay, so to do synthetic division, there's 7 steps we'll go through, and the steps are probably less confusing if we see them in action. So let's go into example 4. We're going to redo x squared plus 10x plus 21 divided by x plus 3. This was example number 1. Okay, so let's see how this works with synthetic division. So first step, arrange your polynomial in descending order. We have that already, x squared, x, no x, and we're not missing any powers of x. Step 2, form the synthetic division box. We're going to have this be upside down of a long division box. Outside is c. Okay, so how to get c? One way to do this, take x plus 3, set it equal to 0, and then solve for x by subtracting 3. So c is negative 3. Another way is whatever you have, take the opposite sign. So opposite of plus 3 would be minus 3. Okay, and then along the top of the box, we want to put the coefficients of our polynomial. So no numbers, so 1x squared, 10 for the 10x, and 21. So our box is set up. Step 3, bring down the first number outside the box. Step 4, multiply c and the number we just wrote, so negative 3 times 1, and write that product in the next column in the second row of the box. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Step 5, add the numbers in this column and write the sum below outside the box. 10 minus 3 is 7. Okay, repeat that multiplying and adding process all the way through the end as step 6. Negative 3 times 7 is negative 21. Add, and we get 0. Okay, that last number in our box, I always put this around it just to remind myself that that's the remainder. So step 7, the numbers along the bottom represent the coefficients for our quotient, and our quotient will be 1 degree less than our polynomial. So we started with x squared, and so that means our quotient will start with an x, and its coefficients will be 1x, and then decrease 1x at a time from there. So after x would just be our constant, which would be 7. And our remainder is 0. So if I divide x squared plus 10x plus 21 by x plus 3, I get 1x plus 7, or in other words, just x plus 7. So exact same result that we got doing long division. And once you get good at synthetic division, it's going to be much, much quicker than long division. You can do a synthetic division in probably 30 seconds or less once you get the process down. Example 5, divide 5x cubed plus 6x plus 8 by x plus 2. Form our box. 5x cubed. We skipped x squared and went right to x, so we're going to put 0 for x squared, 6 for 6x, and then 8. Our c, we have x plus 2. Our c value will be negative 2. Okay, bring down the 5. Negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. 0 minus 10 is negative 10. Negative 10 times negative 2 is 20. Positive 6 and positive 20, so 6 plus 20 is 26. Negative 2 times 26 is negative 52. And 8 minus 52 is negative 44. We started with x cubed, so our quotient should start with x squared. So 5 start with x squared, and then decrease 1x at a time from there. So next will be x, negative 10x. Next will be our constant, plus 26. And then on this one, we have a remainder of negative 44. So minus 44 over x plus 2.